Yeah, we get this started with a bang. That's right. Welcome to Faithfully Bearded. I am Tyson. If it is your first time here, I urge you hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell so all your devices go off when I create a new video. And today, we're unboxing some beard products from a company. I'm going to give you first impressions, and then we're going to go on a journey all week long. And on Friday, I'm going to release the review. So hit the bell so you can follow along with this journey. If you have been here, I appreciate that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what I do. And hit that bell so you can follow along as well. So we're going to get going, unbox this package, and let you know what I think right now. All right, so I got a package in the USPS mailbox, and it is from Mr. Trent at Wild Dog Beard Company. So I don't know if he has a dog that's pretty wild or how he came up with the name, but we're going to find out this week. But today, we're just going to open this up and see what's inside and what I get to test out in the Man Main all week long. So I'm pumped. I just got to find my trusty Hobby Lobby razor blade. 1 second. Trusty Hobby Lobby razor blade is nowhere to be found. So, I have a backup just in case a situation like this were to happen. And here it is. It's a pocket knife. So we're just going to press this button, pop it open, and let's see what we have in here with this box. This is a good one. Holy cow. Good box. I don't know how you're supposed to open these things. Child-proof boxes are ridiculous. Ain't no mailman stealing my beard mail because I ain't going to get in it. Alright. Nope, not alright. Alright. So here's what it looks like in the inside. You got some bubble wrap. You got a handwritten note from the man himself. It says, "Thank you for your time and effort to review my products. There is a sample of pine tar soap, and it's amazing you'll never go back. Trent, Mr. Wild Dog himself." So this comes in there, and he did send me some pine tar soap because I love it. So then you have some bubble wrap with a Wild Dog sticker, and I love that on there as well. So let's just peel off this sticker here and open this up and see what we have in the... Wow, I can smell it already. This is crazy. Craziness. So the first thing we pull out here, we got a Ziploc bag with an oil and a balm in it, it appears. So let's just dig in. I'm going to take this balm out, set it aside, grab the oil, and show you guys this oil. So here you go. You got, this label is actually really nice. It's like a, it's not shiny, it's kind of like a paper, so you can tell it's not going to be like oil or water resistant. But I kind of like that because it gives them some character, like when you spill a little bit of oil on them. So there you have it, dark blue bottle. I love these dark blue bottles, and people are just catching on so much. So you got directions on one side. You have the Wild Dog logo, which is like a beard. It's a beard, and then right here you have a dog inside, which kind of looks like it could be the lips. Shaddock tree. Okay. Ingredients: avocado oil, grapefruit seed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera oil, and wild essential oils blends. So we're going to give this a good old shake-a-roo, get the sniffer ready, and we're going to open this up and give it a sniff. So this is the citrus. This is good. This is good. This is real good. This is orangey citrus. And maybe that's why the label is orange and kind of coincides together. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember the scents that I picked necessarily, but this is definitely a citrus. I like that. That's good. You got a nice little yellow, clearish yellow oil. So there's the oil. And then we get into, this is what the balm looks like. So you got really nice labels. I like the design on it. You got a 2-ounce twist top tin. So we will twist this off. We will look inside. What do we see? A guitar pick that says Wild Dog Beard. Not really any balm scent, a tiny little bit. And if I remember right, I picked like a super hard hold or something. But as you can see here, it doesn't take much pressure to get it out. It feels like a balm I might enjoy. But let's just give it a mix around in the hand here. Yeah, that's definitely a citrus orange scent. But that's nice. That's really nice. So the next thing we have is another oil and balm. And this one is going to be called Blueberry Day. Blueberry Day. I'm just going to go ahead and take a guess-a-roo that this is blueberry. And I know they got some other cool scents coming out too. But I just want you guys to see these. This is what we got sent. So we'll shake that, give it a sniffer. Oh, wow. Wow. This is like blueberry pie, like a super sweet blueberry pie. This isn't like a blueberry scent that I've had in the past that might give me a headache or something. This is just like super sweet blueberry candy. It smells like blueberry candy, like maybe like a slushy, like a blueberry slushy, but sweeter. Wow, this is really good. If you like sweet, this is going to be awesome, I feel. Let's see how the balm. So there you got that. I hear the pick in there. Hear that? So let's open this up. This is so good. So to me, this smells more like a blueberry lip balm in here, which is, I mean, it makes sense, right? You got the balm, you're mixing some scents in there with blueberry, and for my headband's blueberry. We got blue all over the place. And then the last thing in here is this little cube in this paper that's got twine all around it. Pretty nice little presentation. So we're just going to unwrap that, pop the end open here, and we'll just give this a peek. So as you can see, it's just a bar, a little like sample size bar of pine tar soap. And it smells like pine tar soap. Not really a scent to it, it's pine tar soap. Not like, doesn't seem like it's overpowered with any scents or anything like that. It smells like pine tar soap to me. So we'll try that out. I love my pine tar soap. It's becoming my #1 thing to use in the shower, whether it gets in my beard or not. I like to clean my skin with it. So that's what's in the box here. So I hope, whatever, Aubrey Chores. So we're going to try this out. We got 2 cents to try out this week. We're probably going to have a discount code. Probably going to have giveaways. We're going to do some cool stuff all week long. We're pairing up with the Wild Dog Beard Company. And I'm going to let you know what I think about this all week long. So pay attention to my Instagram. If you don't know what it is, it's in the description below. Follow me on Instagram. Stay up to date there. We'll probably go live sometime on Instagram this week. And maybe I can get them on and chit-chat with them in a live stream. But if not, we'll have the review on Friday. We'll have a giveaway. We'll have the live stream Friday night. So again, if you're new here and you like this unboxing video and you're just itching to find out what the review's like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you know when it comes out. And if you've been here, I appreciate you. You know that we gotta have coffee. And you know that I always have a bang wherever I go. And we're gonna just grab our coffee, grab our bang, stroke our Wild Dog filled man mane. And until I talk to you guys again soon, leave a comment below, share this video, and God bless you all. Oh.